Okay, I'll show you a different way of putting this scrubbing pad on. As you can see, I've got 2-inch Velcro, which I've cut to size, and I'll put it on like that. But before I do, I'll put some sponge foam, because a lot of people said, well, how can we have water on the scrubbing pad? So you put that in, put the Velcro over like this, secure it properly. Then on this side, it's as simple as that. So now you can use it and it'll hold some water. And also, when it comes to putting those little scrubby pads behind your water fed pole, all you have to do is have a couple of Velcro tabs like I got, like this and this, and it's right to go. So, I suppose, well, that's about it.